We break down the company into 16 individual components, which and this is part of how we screen. So we screen 13,000 deals. We invest in approximately 1 out of 200 deals. So it's a very low hit rate in terms of companies that we actually invest in. And the way that we filter out these companies is through assigning data sources to the subjective parts of a company and then tracking that information over the last 10 years. So part of the advantage we have is, so the 2 data sources. The first one is called the Investability Index. That's assigning 16 factors to the 16 components of a startup, early stage startup. The second is really an over-index on the founder themselves. So because we are a business that was founded by founders, there's an over-index and an emphasis on the founding team. So there's a great tool we use called F4S, not to be confused with F6S, which is the marketplace for startups and accelerators. It's called F4S, and I encourage everyone here, if you are a founder or an investor, to look at this particular website, look at this particular tool. What this tool does is break down founding teams across 48 motivations. So it's a psychometric test, essentially. And it's very different from what you've seen in the past, where you see, the four-square psychometric test. This is uniquely different because this was originally designed to see how a founder's motivations ties into the success of a business. And their core business, F4S's core business, is with entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs and unsuccessful ones, as well as corporations. And so those 48 motivations, plus the 16 data points of the company, plus the fact that we have 10 years worth of data and history to look back on, to identify what combination of those qualities makes a company hunt, is really what allows us to ensure we have strong survivability for our portfolio companies.